which means that we are providing certain amount of electrical voltage to the source so that we can spin the fibers in whatever the size of thickness of the fiber we want. So if you see the setup, we will have certain polymeric solutions or certain melt inside a syringe. A syringe can be a 5 ml syringe or a 2 ml syringe, depending upon which we are going to measure what is the internal diameter of the nozzle that is going to come. If it is a 5 ml and 3 ml syringe, then it is 13 mm dia. If it is 2 ml syringe, it is 9 mm dia. So depending upon that, it will calculate how much amount of pressure it should be applied on this knob so that the melt comes out.
This diameter you are talking about? Which diameter?
The syringe diameter.
Diameter is this
syringe का diameter.
syringe में बहुत सारे पार्ट होते हैं.
ये वाला.
ये nozzle पे जो this guy.
So this is a 24 gauge needle, which is approximately 0.55 mm of dia. So if we see this, they use this for pharmaceutical applications or to inject in our body and put some drug inside our body. We cannot use this syringe as it is because it has a tapered end. So we cut them into a straight end and then we use this syringe for spinning the fibers. So here you can see that we have attached a 24 gauge needle, which is 0.55 mm of millimeter of dia. So we are expecting the fibers that are going to come out should be in around 500 to 550 nanometer range. If we change the size of the needle, for example, we have 18 gauge needle, which is a much more thicker diameter, and we have different types of gauge needles. This is 26 gauge needle. So depending upon the application that we want to use, we will change the size of the needle that we are using. So if you come closer and see at the end, at the tip of the needle, you can see that one fiber is coming out, which is very light. So one by one you can see, or sir has taken a picture, he can show it to you. And these fibers get deposited on the static plate. We have either static plate or a rotatory drum that is behind the setup. So we use a rotatory drum if we want parallel fibers. That means one fiber is parallel to another fiber. If you want random fibers, we use a static plate. So what happens is we will apply certain voltage on top of the needle. So आप लोगों ने देखा होगा शुगर की जो चाशनी होती है, हम चेक कैसे करते हैं, उसको ऐसे दबा के खींचते हैं ऊपर, राइट, और हमको एक तार मिलती है. सो दिस तार इज नथिंग बट अ मैक्रो फाइबर. So when it comes up, you can see at the end there is a tapered structure, and from the tapered structure one fiber is coming out. In the same way, if we see at the needle, when the melt is coming out, because of the voltage, one jet comes out, and that jet itself is the fiber.
ये तो बाद का बात चल रहा है शायद. जिस मटेरियल से मैं बना रहा हूँ, वो मटेरियल के सिरिंज में भरा हुआ है पहले से.
Yes, इसमें मैंने भरा हुआ है.
What is that material?
So this has to be a polymeric solution. You can make any kind of fibers, but it has to be upon certain viscous solution should be there, so that we can stretch the fibers. So in this we have utilized PVP, polyvinyl pyrrolidine. You can use any other polymer also. You can mix polymer and salt solutions to have certain amount of only salt material or oxides or sulfides kind of material.
So that you
This
fill in
is
that syringe.
Yes, we fill in that syringe. For example, we have two different types of liquids here. This is less viscous in it. You can see that I can move it properly. But this is a little bit more thicker in solution. So this is 12 weight percentage of PVP. This is 14 weight percentage of PVP. This is much thicker in terms of viscosity. But also viscosity depends upon the time. So the more amount of duration we keep it for spinning, for suppose 2 days, 3 days, the more viscous the solution becomes. Hence the parameter has to be continuously monitored depending upon what the viscosity of the solution is.
ये जो है ना